enyina na yebecho nyame asem kakra bosome nyina no me know me you be go through the gospel that is Luke chapter 5 the book Luke, the whole Luke. Me father kakra that we paraphrase. I want us to read the whole book of Luke. Senior Dr. Luke, na okojina opanyina nim no so opese o twere niema esisi ye no what the twere opanyina Theophilus no no na me no obadantimu kakra and pay ye be fa kakra mo so that the Christmas na ye ba bedi no so betimi asua ba kom ye no me ansa now I digest into the scriptures. Pay ubet me be one now they will now see on tron on come for ama or no answer for ready. And kwame no me no ye one aye radina aye.
Had it not been for the Lord,
if it has not been for the Lord,
we would have been destroyed.
And to bear guns and eto nesana
For the Lord,
Kosiada wojumedi kesia obede. And so na so the man.
yes, he did.
Dr. Mary Kuya Ganza.
He had mercy.
If you had a holiday, right? If you had a wojumedi bia bono every year your friend will be with waseda beba. So Friday my father's house and all bebaso. Yamia ye bia man minimum no as I say yenya kwan na yedena seda emano. So Friday nyamia adoma obidina seda beba. O what the beba na me so be de mediaba. Unless say we be catch them say we de nyame nye hwe ma. That's why bibia ma odi a wo de waseda ebema onyame tuasefo no. It's not my son, Sabia, and your birthday. And this month, your birthday, your last month in the year. Let me give you that a great opportunity. Now, me know you celebrate it together. And to me, I send it with dinner, amame, and I wouldn't know what done for beer. 0509 15 10 10. 0509 15 10 10. And the number is constantly here. And then Yabo Madrena, celebrate it. What a band to my baby because me brenusha. A few minutes and then we will celebrate with you. Hallelujah. And your birthday, Eunice, I'm home, man. So good morning. If you say, well, good morning and God bless you on your birthday. More than a song program, Sunday. I was Spintex Road, ICGC, a Calvary Temple. Aunt Mary Ganza. It is a Obeba Becahodia. I don't know if we're Bebana Dos. Posting Jasapon and Ajua and Sobeba. I know all of them, and they will be a blessing to you. ICGC Spintex Road. And pay you on now and Yameti as a phone the bamboo and Hesopa for the Ahaye. Can you thank God for your mother, your father, your uncle, your grandma, your children? Bet me be one on one, then Yami Asiama one man. Oh, also for can you thank God for your congregation? Yamedu Aquatuano. And right now, sorry to say, I sorry man, I know what to say.
Thank you.
And now for the ball, Tema community number 4. Hesana me denya me ase. Because last year, I made bar for the announce of David in war. No stream. And no man could jam bar for the enemy. And Ra may bar for the or heaven. So nyame ya adom on the 16th. Street devotion churatu wa watema. The best street devotion to remember this great man of God or this Jumediano Ebekaya street devotion. And a pebia betresia or tema. In remembrance of Reverend David Mancro. Arpe ye nyamia se otumfo nyankopon ti asefo bambofo pa ye krahwefo ya genkopa ye nida so ye ntwom ne ya hoodene wa wode ye mbone nyina cheye me Yaw Owusu Ansah me de ne dikai me de do so chen obia so wode me bone nyina cheme na wa wadom nti wi me na free bone ahodo nyina me na otutuma na monso sisi ye a enedwa day me de asedane na ase ne ntontom ne nkamfo ne okron ye ne pagya e de ma wo nyame te asefo wa wedding kunim ewo otamfo ne nhyehyɛ ne nagina tu nyina. So I thank you, O Lord, for the forgiveness of sin, and I bless you, O God, for your protection. I thank you, O God, for this nation Ghana. Beda wasema ye mampanyine na ado dankwa ekufu ado. Beda wase emma onene mpanyinfo. Beda wasema posi panyine meda wasema asojafo panyine customs immigration. Beda wase ewo bambo ne hwesusia wode ma omai emba. Yada sebebre say ye different ye fieba waka kire say wa hye bofo so hwe yenso na ye nan ampemboba ya na wasia ne ye boni ayefo eno nti na me Yaw Owusu Ansah ne tiefo empempem a wo manya bread wo mafidi ye to anso no yada sema wo manyini ye nuanom wa manone. Every country where they are listening to this program, Adom Ahengua anymore. Yada was say ma ankran bia won kununom wan yerenom wan ma ene won ani suade hu won are students. We thank you, oh God, for their lives. Yada was say ma mrewa ene nkokra ewo omayimo. Ye share within a kron no animonyam ewo Jesus Christ edim. Udima yenti yede ho hye won sase koso ne dima ye wa ma subontin bi amfa yen kra so na ho ye mobo na oje ye wa ma wo magina tu nyina ayekwa Yehowa yeda wase ni yeyiwa ye Madam Sierrade, so I'm Bible to you for the to me kind of the intimate kind, you know. You so yeah, now would be my well, also pay number 0509 151010 0509 151010 Facebook for more casa. Please, can I get number so that I can put my name on the birthday? All right, thank you very much for responding. For Facebook, you can share with your friends. Hallelujah. Oh, share, you are a good student and you are a good disciple. Thank you. Dabe na wa odi bebe nyame tiase fo ne hwe so pa ne bamba wode amaye be drubo sume a etoso edumie no yimu a we have every right and every opportunity to give him thanks. Prayer was one of my was one. Can you let me know so that we are in the man that we have to give all our thanks to him. Mate. Mami Ajwa, also no first time I was Facebook. Okay, Mate. Also, no first time, this one. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. Watching you live from UK. Ajua, Majua, Tina, Mate. Good morning. God bless all of you on the Facebook. God bless you, those that are on radio. From Yaw Owusu Ansah. I enter your Jumway and free Benny's Panford. Bejo ni Ababawa. Yachi also for mommy. A very good man of God. Prophet Tony. Good morning. And Papa also Professor Nelson. Good morning, Prof. Nelson. Thank you very much for the invitation. And the top Temple of Praise, Medamase. Thank you so much. Temple of Praise. Victor Wadi, good morning. Dubai to say. Vienna also to say. Esther. Ofosubanfo. Italy. Pronto. Come stale. Bene. Sese. Ophelia, good morning. Saudi Arabia. Possible kwasi yesere. Saudi now. Yaya dede. Kagari. Alhamdulillah. Right, good morning. So as I see you on the Facebook, I'll try kakra no mabodi kakra. Verona in Tiamwa Patrick. Good morning. Benson Monica. All right. I should repeat my number 0509 15 10 10. Okay, my text that's 0509 15 10 10. Ekia Kosi, London. Kwame Dapa Enim. Kwame Dapa Hina Wampacho. Felix Bella Doha. Good morning. Patricia Kesiwa, USA. Mame Sewa Andrew. Efia Anita Atobra, good morning and happy birthday in advance. What's your birthday? Also Holland, Bama, Amsterdam. All right, Yankee can be big Accra House of Frata, the Charles, and then SK, and then Sammy. Mwamaba, all believers on it. Thank you very much. It was massive, it was progressive, it was powerful. I enjoy it. Namen nam Krufo Frosso, but I have to. I'm here, Jumaye. I'm a friend, enough form, sir. And to comfort Abna Bonsra. Good morning from Düsseldorf. Mama Shade, Matisse, Wabrewe from Shade, Germany, Honum. Radin Kahon, now on show day pa. Radia, my enemy, and was say. I can't just say, yeah, Luke chapter 1, 2, 3. Yeah, paraphrasisa this month, you know. No money about the best year can be a honomana, your best is a free abba. Na, it by Mondrena fa was son a baying. Luke chapter 1 and Luke chapter 1, the verse number 5. Luke chapter 1, the verse number 5. Yuda hene Herodo ebra esono osofu bi etnase a na wa freno Sakaria a ofri Abia asofu kuyono na na yire eye Aaron embamba nemo ebi a wa freno Elizabeth. Na wami enu ni nyina etene ewo Ewurade enim. Edi Ewurade ahyade ene ne trene ene nyina so a ehu eni asem. Chichemonson nanso so na woniba ifre say na Elizabeth eye obonini na wami enu ni nyina enyinyini. Bedase You're from Reverend Owusu Ansah, and ye answer keke. O cancer on your more. Facebook for what TV. From Owusu Ansah, maybe did a compound name. Owusu Ansah. What the answer? And now from Owusu and Yamina Obo meeting. Thank you. Luke chapter 1, the verse number 5. Edia Mababi Jina, the verse number 7. Yan Jina Hokakra. Traya Kenkaya, I am making kana say, Urabia, na, would dig in your friend Herod, ne Bensono, na, Unyamia Kuebi or Honoma, your friend Zacharias. Na, Zacharias and Sosono, or Warea Baba, Webia, near friend Elizabeth. Na, Elizabeth, and so Efri Ebushia, ye asofo Ebushia, Ufri asofo Ebushia imu. Ena eye Zacharias so yachire ebusia ufrimu na yuda hene Herod breso osofu bitna asia wa freno Zacharias a ofri abia asofu kuyonum na jese ya kana busia ufrimu ena ne yire nso a odi Elizabeth wono nso so efri asofu ebusia mu. Enti woma family no nyina no Bible na kanepefe abusia wo mu frimu. Enti wahunu baabi a me kenkan ne baabi a me drive wo na me di wakwa akogina no. Wo mbie no nyina sum nyame, wo mu suro nyame, wo mu bu nyame, wo mu nante nyame akwan so. Hey God, good morning. Wabusia if na free. Yes, when him say ufi be, but specifically he na free. Ebusuya bay, abi abusuya, ana se osebunsu ebusuya, efiampra ebusuya. And I no pay my main driver na mimbisa say, which family do you come from? Udi mwabusuya empo. Ya bo Zacharias dino, ni ya bo Elizabeth dino. No mumie no nyina no ya ka busuya wo mu frimu. Na Bible no say omumie no so no ma ware a wo mo nante nyame akwan so pepe na omumie no nyina wo mo ho ni asem. If I can twere kronkron Bible brofo no a e kama na yede and they live blameless life. Blameless life. They were living a blameless life. Na just say Bema Zacharias. Ane so for mama Elizabeth. Womu fra so for few me die nanso so no mo ba wo mo bra pe kroje e wonyame anim. Ene asofu bebre honomo a ya ware kra ye ne yire no nkasa. Ye ne yire no nkasa kra o. Ye ne yire no nkasa. Wa ya ketwan so obe preach ya mafifra ate no. Obe brim na yire kura aguso. Brim no awoso wa no wodu ano ba na won sanso so abeje baba so for Zacharias ne yire Elizabeth de Bible say na wo ma ye nanso mu mienu no mo nante nyame akwa so pepepepe ebusia mamenya de mbra mame enhwa de wo me computer so na membra sami wo ho ye dan huh? Ojuma ya akoto hate there's a advert that was hate the man.
Corporate Ghana, are you ready? Are you ready for some praises and worship to thank God? If you are ready, let me hear you chant hallelujah to the debut Joy Corporate Worship. Pastor Atu, take it over.
Thank you, DJ Black. No long things. We're simply inviting Corporate Ghana to join us worship our Maker and Provider for His provisions all year through. His grace has been sufficient, leading us in a heaven on earth worship experience at the maiden edition of the Joy Corporate Worship. Elder Dr. Kwesi Mreku, Na Mercy Sinclair, and Pastor Isaiah Fosukwache. Venue is Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry, North Legon. Date is Friday, the 6th of December, 2019, Farmers Day. Time is 10 a.m. prompt. Don't miss this corporate opportunity to lay it all at his feet in worship and thanksgiving at the Debut Joy Corporate Worship. For further enquiries, call 030-221-6540. Joy Corporate Worship, a corporate appreciation.
The sound of rejoicing, feel this.
Abusam wakwaba adwuma we de asa na ye no oya na ye de bibia ba atoso na se ye ho adwuma nso so kama sie ne kaja de ni aseda enso awrefre e wo nipa ho itime me mpaya me bone se ye urade wa ya ama me bibire mfida erutina nyame ya adom afiada ye de obi de na seda beba resurrection power and living bread and on your corporate one no we no de ye me so Resurrection Power and Living Bread and Ministries International. My father's house. Obi di na seda beba. Sie ni keja eni aseda. Sie ni keja eni aseda. Time no cry is you know. So for je bi sam say time no ye tambe. Tambe. Was it? Oh yeah sure. A holiday o. A holiday nti en kwa nwumre bebreza. And when Yanopa, no so any number. You best shas here, ye bottom. Yeah, send a in the hon.
And so damn in Payane said, Miramfi Papa,
why? This month, your man, Diana Hamilton, one on top for this month. I am a man.
I dear Bakuna, Miss Rennie said, Miramfi Papa,
Yanko, ya trinomina, yam pinsem. You can come for Luke chapter 1, the verse number 5. You will meet by 5. Yan discuss a crack. Na yanko yanama. Charles,
Bishop Nas Yamishra.
That's what I
Mijidi say, Nyamia Yibi. Is answer, or shares a baby or dear Bidua, as the dandy said the bumper. Baby, I ne on a pay, yeah, Casafimiji said, look at the
coach a crabby mammy of microphone, mammy, pom, and so, and find you no microphone, you find you no near the Akasa. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you.
Hey, Bishop.
No, I didn't know my age, 24 to 25 years. The technique. The technique.
You cannot be here.
So do we Mike is your finger, you know.
Oh, Jesus.
It's not ideas with Jesus. Yeah. Breast, Yanko.
Oh, yes, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm just saying, Abusian, papa. Ebusian here because we yanka
sanontina we see
ebusian here
ebusian kontonchia
yeah baby ayefi ebusian ayefi mo no nakenye ba
what's a baby empa ebusian asem
yempa ebusian no
yempa si abeti ebusian kura asem
abi but ehun
so betini ni ene ne se
ehun ya pa bishop is an say ehun ya nka nyame ma ye ntworo baby a Zakaria ene na yere Elizabeth na omufi no ye kireye na no ma ye hu se baby a ye wono ye se ye ma ye timi da ye busia di ye se ye fere hu krobia ye fimu na to bia se ya na wo ma me di no ya na ehye mi nkran ma ye hu se ampa ma me we abusia mu na wofi enti wo a wuti anope no emfa wabusia ensie baby a wo bia no abusia no enye kra adan de me hu se abusia no na wofi mi se nyankopon nim ne enti a odo be pie sa
e ma na nya ofere se ye fra Ghana ni
Dabi and I know was a bit more prayer bega abetro mudin
e no se ye beka ho
ehun hia pa enti ye de ye man
profo pay man no ye ne ayeti mu so ye beka nsembone sa de bia ye pese ye Ghana bia no Ghana ni a okuta bronsam sunsun bi beka nsembone sa ase enye kura yes but yeah my head and the efforts look book you be go through sir
ehun hia
who said John the Baptist or John the Baptizer ni say no mu frabusiam and they mention specifically baby mu free one more challenges so just to as well
bishop tell me say we ye koni am ehun say we ye koni we ye asantene am mananya ofere say we ye igweni dabi nyame ni mienti a o ma ko pie say abusian ni mu is that so wo dwuma bi o pesa we ye wo ho enti eto mi kwa yesuma kwa edisie
Yedisie. I say I Pharisee Christopher.
Dabi. The Bible come so be hu say okita Bible. Baby a ufi bia no baby nyame de wadua bia no. Ese mo wani nche hu. Mo wani nche baby ofi no. Mo wani so. You don't appreciate where you come from.
Yeah.
Dabi. But ene say we see sa. Ese mo nipa nyina hu. Na ne nche nyame de oba sa abusua mu sa asolu mu sa o man mu no.
Yeah.
Otimi de woye. Esa say nya kwa ase nyame se be ye Ghana ni.
Dabi.
Eti ye man no ya ensu for ya non cancer money and for ye man eni ye kro eni ye busia for hu me ma me de ye baifo mbapa de ye baifo dabi ye de ye busia ne
sani omutie bia nyame sheda eboapa echusu e decide say obema mafiri nsuta kwa aman ene atwema agoko ena makosha ase ye firi koben eti ba bia no nyame in his calendar no one say sa bia we and unfortunately Bible no say no ya abonini na so no mienu no omotene ewo nyame enem so for frata for ba ko eto aso
amba jo me dance
yes be
jo kan busia ho asem no so man bia na anse nipa bia no o belief system ne kwan wo fa so sisi ho ne wadi die ne ade nyina me hu ma wo dance am you fa kwa wo free enti wo hwe sa ne ma no ya ade so wo se wo nipa bia no ma no hia wo na me hu the kind of person wo ye and you looking at this film yeah nipa be brade so na wo to na busua